Meaning of IBM.
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 IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machines Corporation. It is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Armonk, New York. IBM manufactures and sells computer hardware, middleware, and software, and it provides hosting and consulting services in areas ranging from mainframe computers to nanotechnology. IBM has been at the forefront of technological innovation since its inception in 1911. Over the years, it has developed a reputation for excellence in research and development, and its products and services have been instrumental in shaping the modern digital landscape. Today, IBM continues to be a leader in the tech industry, with operations spanning the globe.